Hello and welcome back. So what we have to do is we have to make the two-way data binding. Before I make two-way binding, can we focus on service? Because once service is ready, we can directly call a service once we have done with this, right? So why can't you focus on service part? So what you do back to the services? Yes, service is empty. So let me inject. So private HTTP client of type HTTP client. Yeah, I have multiple options. So when you take about server router, API router. So for each and every URL, so you have to make for each and every URL, you have to make one service function. Okay. So let's talk about create product. So I say public create product. So this will return an observable of type what. So after you create a product, what you get back? Uh, you're simply getting a message, is it? Small change. I'm not simply getting a message. I will get the created product. Okay, fine. And what else for update? Update also just I guess message, not message. Just get the product which is updated. Okay, and also for get all, not of this one, just get all the products. And for single product, not object of product, just say directly product. And for delete, also I will return the deleted product. Okay, that's fine. So now here for create you get the product. So here return this dot http client dot get to the URL. So what is the URL? Let's data URL of type string is equal to, so what will be your server URL? For create products, I have a server URL, that is this one. Copy this back to here and then paste it. This is my URL. So what type of method it is? It's a post method. It's looking for a post method. So client dot post and the data URL data URL. So along with data URL, you have to provide data as well because you want to create a product. So that particular product to be created. Okay, so let me provide the product as well of type product view, and this also product view. Okay, and you get the product view objects. Okay, and this will also return a product view. Okay, and oh sorry, it's a product. The parameter which is product. Okay, and dot pipe. You can just say the catch error, but error handling. We had already the error handling story, right? So when we had Angular source code, we have error handling. So why can't you get the error handling of service? Yeah, this is error handling. Copy back to here and I'll paste it here. Let's import response and also error message. Okay, so let's say this dot handle error because we have discussed about error handling in the Angular tutorial. So it's done. Okay, so create product, it will take the product object and send to the server using this. Okay, and it's a post request. Same like that, public update product. So what update product does? For update product, we need product ID and the complete product objects. Okay, So let's say the product ID of type string and also the product of type product view, and this returns again what it returns from the service. It returns back product object, so it will return an observable of product view object. Okay, so let's data URL, or not data URL, let's say server URL. Here also URL of type string is equal to, I need a server URL for update product, that is this one, as a put request. So this is URL, but in that product ID to be updated with my dynamic product ID which I have provided, and then return this dot http client dot put request to my server URL and also the product object to be sent, and pipe this again returns a product view and the catch error of this dot handle error. Okay, this is about update product. And lastly, I want to get all the products, so public get all products. Okay, so this doesn't take anything because get all products doesn't take any parameters, no fields, and this is the server URL. Copy. So this returns of observable of type product view array of products you get, because here in return type products array. So let's say what return this dot http client dot get request to my server URL. Come on, let's server URL of type string is equal to backtick. This is my server URL, so get request to the server URL dot pipe in this catch error of this dot handle error. Okay, and again this will returns you array of products. Okay, that's fine. And one more function, that is public uh, get product, get a single product. So it will return observable of products view, and again the server URL for single product server URL is this one. So I say let server URL of type string is equal to backtick. So let me have product ID, so you must provide a product ID to send to the server. So let's say here product ID. Okay, then return this dot http client dot get request to the server URL dot pipe in the catch error of this dot handle error. And one something missing is the typecasting. Okay, and one last one is delete. Delete delete same like this na. Why to waste your time? Same thing. Only thing is it is delete. Everything is fine. This is delete. That's all. Everything is same. Confirm. Back to delete. See delete, and URL. It returns the product. Okay. So now it is fine. Now service is ready. So we are good to go with add products. So let's go to add products, and here we have to make a two-way binding. Now let's see the two-way binding in the next video.